Hi everyone, welcome to Nippon Spoon. On this channel, I share halal-friendly Japanese home cooking recipes. Today, I'm making halal-friendly Yaki Udon. Yaki Udon is a Japanese stir-fried noodle dish made with udon, meat, and vegetables. Today, I'll be making a simple soy sauce-based version using basic ingredients and steps. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. This recipe makes 1 generous serving or 2 smaller servings. First, let's prepare the vegetables. Today, I'm using cabbage, carrot, and onion, but you can use any vegetables you like. Roughly chop the cabbage into bite-sized pieces. Peel the carrot and slice it thinly. Cut the onion into wedges. That's it for the vegetable prep. Next, let's prepare the meat. Yaki udon is often made with pork, but this time I'm using beef instead. I prepared 80 grams of thinly sliced beef. If the slices are large, cut them into bite-sized pieces and season them lightly with a pinch of salt. That's it for the meat prep. Next, let's make the sauce. Combine 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and optionally, half teaspoon of Dashi powder. Dashi powder is optional, but it adds so much umami and aroma, so I highly recommend adding it if you have some. And that's it. The sauce is ready. For the udon, I'm using frozen udon noodle. Microwave it according to the package instruction. Pre-cooked udon noodle work just fine as well. That's all the prep work done. Now, let's start cooking. Heat a frying pan over medium heat and add a little oil. Once the pan is hot, add the beef and cook until it is mostly browned. Then add the carrot and onion. When the carrot has softened, add the cabbage. Stir fry briefly until the vegetables are coated with oil. Next, add the udon noodles. Pour in the sauce mixture. Continue stir frying and mixing until the sauce is evenly distributed. Depending on the type of udon you use, the noodles may stick together. If needed, add up to 1 tablespoon of water. And just like that, it's done. Transfer it to a serving plate. A simple, classic yaki udon is ready. It's a classic Japanese home-style dish with its rich, savory flavor. Simple and just plain delicious. I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.